Warren Buffett's #1 secret to billion-dollar deals. Hey, dreamers and deal makers. Want to know how Warren Buffett turned pocket change into a $1 trillion empire? Spoiler, it's not just about money, it's about people. Let's dive in. Picture this. You find a killer business deal. Numbers are perfect, profits are sky high. But there's a catch. The person behind it gives you bad vibes. Should you ignore that gut feeling? Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, says no way. In his 1989 Berkshire Hathaway letter, he dropped this truth bomb. We've never succeeded in making a good deal with a bad person. 60 years of investing taught him. If the person's shady, the deal's doomed. So, what's a bad person to Buffett? Someone lacking integrity, trustworthiness, or ethics. He's got a 3-part test for partners. You're looking for intelligence, energy, and integrity. If they don't have the last one, don't even bother with the first 2. That's right, character is king. Let's talk proof. In 1972, Buffett bought See's Candies for just $25 million. Why? Not just the chocolate, but the family's rock-solid values. Result? Over $2 billion in profits for Berkshire. Then there's Nebraska Furniture Mart, run by the Blumkin family, whose honesty made it a retail giant. Geico. Buffett trusted its managers to turn it into an insurance powerhouse. And get this, he bought Borsheim's jewelry without even auditing the books. Why? Because owner Ike Friedman's integrity was bulletproof. Buffett doubles down. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Now, let's bring it to 2025. With crypto scams, tech bubbles, and corporate meltdowns making headlines, Buffett's advice is pure gold. One bad partner can tank your reputation and your bank account. Think Enron or FTX. Ethical failures crush them. Buffett's secret? Bet on people you like, trust, and admire. It's why Berkshire's still crushing it while others crash. So, whether you're launching a startup, investing in a side hustle, or picking a business partner, ask yourself, do I trust this person? Would I want them in my corner for the long haul? Buffett built an empire by saying no to bad apples and yes to honest leaders. You can too. Feeling pumped? Hit that like button if Buffett's wisdom sparked some ideas. Subscribe for more billionaire secrets, and drop a comment. Have you ever dodged a bad deal or learned this lesson the hard way? Let's talk. Catch you in the next video. Invest smart and choose wisely.